Creating a services page in Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to create a services page in Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, go to page right here and then just click on manage pages. And then once you're here, just click on add page. And then from here, you can either start your services page from scratch just by clicking on blank page over here, or you can use some pre-built templates that Wix has right here. So you can choose any template you want to use from here. So as an example, I'll choose this one right here, the basic services page. So I'll just click on add page right there to add the page, and then just wait for this to load. And then there you go, we now have our services page. And then once you're in your services page, you can now start customizing it. So you can start customizing your title over here, changing the font, changing the description. And then at the bottom over here, you can add your service name, a short description about your service, and then of course, adding an image about your service. So yeah, so feel free to customize this section out to your liking. And then once you're done, make sure to click on save to save all the changes that you have made. And then there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a services page on Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.